Discoveries hidden beneath the Sahara Desert have always captivated the world, but the latest revelation is unlike anything seen before. A spine-chilling find has emerged, challenging our geological knowledge and leaving scientists in awe. Brace yourselves for an unsettling account that will stir intrigue and amazement. What lies beneath the shifting sands that terrify even the bravest minds? Let's embark on this journey together. In the scorching heat of the Sahara Desert, a group of intrepid explorers embarked on a daring expedition fueled by the quest for ancient truths. Amidst the relentless dunes and searing heat, they chanced upon an inexplicable geological anomaly that defied reason and sent shivers down their spines. With meticulous precision, they delved into the seemingly ordinary terrain, only to unearth an enigmatic structure that lay hidden for eons. This unearthly enigma stood in stark contrast to its surroundings, an otherworldly presence amid the desolate landscape. Carved from the depths of time, its colossal proportions and intricate features hinted at a craftsmanship far beyond the comprehension of modern humans. As they ventured deeper into its heart, an eerie silence enveloped the team, leaving them stunned by the mysteries before them. The researchers' excitement was tinged with trepidation, for this was no ordinary archaeological find. The very earth beneath their feet seemed to hold its breath as if guarding the secrets of its ancient past. With every passing moment, the weight of history pressed upon them, igniting a fervent determination to decipher the enigma. What was the purpose of this enigmatic structure? Who were its creators? And why was it hidden beneath the unforgiving desert? The questions echoed in the minds of the researchers, each step uncovering new mysteries that challenged the boundaries of their understanding. The monumental subterranean structure revealed beneath the Sahara Desert is a profound enigma that continues to perplex the scientific community. As researchers carefully unearth its hidden depths, they confront an awe-inspiring complexity that defies easy explanations. The structure's sheer scale and intricate design point toward a sophistication far beyond anything previously known in ancient civilizations. Preliminary analyses, including radiometric dating and mineral analysis, have astonished experts with the revelation that this mysterious edifice could be millions of years old. This startling revelation places it in an era long preceding the rise of human civilization, challenging the conventional timeline of history. Speculations abound about the purpose and function of this colossal construct. Some claim that it might have been an ancient ceremonial site, a knowledge repository, or a celestial observatory. Others propose that it holds deep significance in ancient religious beliefs, or may even be remnants of a technologically advanced civilization lost to the annals of time. The significance of this subterranean marvel beckons further investigation, yet caution is warranted to preserve its integrity and protect any potential artifacts that may shed light on its true nature. As the scientific community meticulously analyzes data and crafts hypotheses, one thing remains clear: the monumental subterranean structure beneath the Sahara Desert is a profound testament to the enduring mysteries that shroud our planet's past. The quest to unravel its secrets will undoubtedly alter our understanding of human history and our place in the cosmos. The unearthing of a trove of ancient artifacts at the site of the mysterious subterranean structure beneath the Sahara Desert has added a new layer of intrigue to the already baffling discovery. The artifacts, meticulously crafted with intricate symbols and inscriptions, bear no resemblance to any known ancient civilization or culture, leaving archaeologists and historians puzzled. The symbols etched into the artifacts appear to be of a sophisticated and esoteric nature, hinting at a profound understanding of cosmology, mathematics, or even a unique system of communication. Their enigmatic nature raises questions about the purpose of the structure and the civilization that might have created it. Archaeologists are painstakingly analyzing the artifacts, hoping to decipher their meanings and uncover any clues that could shed light on the origins of the subterranean structure. Each carving and inscription holds the promise of unlocking a fragment of a forgotten past, unveiling a civilization that may have thrived in the depths of antiquity. The connection between these captivating artifacts and the structure itself remains elusive, fueling the imagination of experts and enthusiasts alike. As researchers delve deeper into this treasure trove of antiquity, they remain ever vigilant in their pursuit of understanding the perplexing and profound history that lies beneath the scorching sands of the Sahara Desert. The geological enigma presented by the subterranean structure beneath the Sahara Desert has sent geologists into a state of bewilderment and fascination. Upon close examination, the structure's composition revealed a labyrinth of complex layers and extraordinary mineral formations that defy explanation. This perplexing find stands as an enigmatic anomaly in a region where no geological records of such intricacies have ever been documented. As geologists pore over the data and conduct meticulous analyses, they find themselves at a crossroads of theories that thrived in a time far beyond our current understanding of history. The intricate layers and sophisticated mineral patterns could be indicative of advanced construction techniques and materials used by an ancient society. Conversely, other scientists speculate that the subterranean structure might be a product of powerful natural forces yet to be comprehended. Tectonic activity, seismic shifts, or volcanic processes could have contributed to the formation of this geological marvel, transcending our current understanding of the Earth's geological history. The unraveling of this geological enigma has opened a new frontier in the realm of geological research. Theories and debates will continue to proliferate as geologists strive to unlock the mysteries concealed within the very foundations of the Sahara Desert, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and understanding. The haunting presence of the unknown lingers over the Sahara Desert, casting an eerie aura upon its already enigmatic landscape. For centuries, the desert has been a realm of myths, legends, and untold wonders, but the revelation of the hidden subterranean structure adds an unprecedented layer of intrigue and trepidation. As scientists grapple with the implications of this unsettling discovery, they are faced with concerns about potential repercussions. The Sahara Desert's delicate ecosystem has evolved over millennia to adapt to its harsh conditions, and any disturbance brought about by extensive excavation or exploration could have unforeseen consequences. The introduction of new elements into this ancient landscape may upset the balance of life, altering habitats and potentially leading to irreversible changes. Yet, amidst these concerns, the scientific community is also aware of the significance of unraveling the mysteries that lie beneath the sands. The pursuit of knowledge and the understanding of our planet's history are essential drivers of human progress. Therefore, researchers tread carefully, weighing the allure of discovery against the responsibility of preserving the natural equilibrium of this hauntingly beautiful desert. The discovery of the hidden structure beneath the Sahara Desert has set off a whirlwind of collaborative efforts and cutting-edge technologies in a relentless race against time. Scientists from diverse fields of expertise, united by their shared curiosity, are working tirelessly to uncover the secrets held within the enigmatic structure. Harnessing the power of advanced technologies, researchers employ ground-penetrating radar, LiDAR, and satellite imagery to delve deep beneath the layers of sand without disturbing the delicate sight. Drones, armed with specialized sensors, gracefully traverse the skies, capturing high-resolution images and creating intricate 3D reconstructions, providing unprecedented insights into the structure's concealed interior. International collaboration proves paramount, as experts from different disciplines bring their unique perspectives to the table. Archaeologists interpret the artifacts, geologists analyze the rock formations, and paleontologists investigate any potential signs of ancient life. Simultaneously, historians delve into ancient texts and cultures, seeking elusive clues that may unravel the riddle of this enigmatic monument. The ticking clock motivates these relentless endeavors, knowing that preserving the site's integrity is crucial. Each passing day presents new challenges, but the collaborative spirit and innovative technologies drive these dedicated scientists to push the boundaries of knowledge, unveiling the secrets of this awe-inspiring discovery before time obscures its captivating mysteries forever. The startling discovery beneath the Sahara Desert has sparked intense debates and controversies within the scientific community. The enigmatic structure's origin and purpose remain shrouded in uncertainty, fueling divergent theories that vie for credibility. One faction postulates that the intricate design and advanced craftsmanship point to the existence of an ancient, technologically advanced civilization lost to the annals of time. On the other hand, proponents of the geological explanation propose that powerful natural forces might have given rise to this awe-inspiring phenomenon, transcending our current understanding of the Earth's history. As researchers present their findings and arguments, the struggle to find common ground amidst the complexities of the discovery persists. While evidence accumulates, the enigma deepens, leaving scientists grappling with a lingering sense of both wonder and fear. The stakes are high, as each theory carries profound implications for our understanding of human history and the planet's evolution. In the midst of these debates, ethical dilemmas emerge. Preservationists advocate for utmost caution in excavating and researching the site to preserve its delicate integrity, The pursuit of knowledge must be balanced with the ethical responsibility of conserving this ancient enigma for future generations to explore and appreciate. The convergence of science, ethics, and history makes the unfolding narrative a delicate dance, underscoring the profound significance of this discovery for our collective human heritage. Navigating these debates and ethical considerations with integrity and transparency will be crucial in charting the path forward to unravel the secrets hidden beneath the shifting sands of the Sahara Desert. As scientists inch closer to deciphering the riddle of the hidden monument, the journey into the unknown continues to challenge conventional wisdom and expand our understanding of our planet's history. The Sahara Desert, once thought of as a vast, lifeless expanse, has become a stage for an extraordinary quest that unravels the mysteries of antiquity. The discovery beneath the Sahara Desert remains an enigma that stirs curiosity and fear. As scientists explore the unknown, humanity stands on the threshold of uncovering ancient secrets.